Joining us now is Efficient Advisors Chief Investment Officer Larry Shover. And Larry, you know, it sure looks like this is what's driving up the price of oil. Earlier we spoke to someone who said the weak dollar or the lower value of the dollar was contributing to it. But this uncertainty about military action is not good. Help me understand what's about to happen with oil.
Yeah, well, it's a great question, and I think, you know, the market itself has been confused, actually confounded by it all, because this has been a hot zone. This has been a flashpoint for a while. The fact of the matter is, crude's up 5.5%, but putting it in context, that's where it was at the end of May, so not that long ago. It seems like an impressive rally, but not as impressive as given the fact it was at $66 a barrel at the end of April. So I think it's a combination of the unknown, news flow, a favorable EIA report showing the first draw in 3 weeks, and a risk-on rally.
I also want to ask you, Larry, we just saw some headlines as well that there's a reporter who asked the president just now, are you going to retaliate against Iran? His answer, you'll find out. The reporter asked when, and the president did not answer. So, you know, how volatile, how high a probability are the oil markets putting on things actually ratcheting up in Iran?
Yeah, well, I think something like that definitely raises the stakes. I mean, you brought up an excellent point, because for weeks, oil traders were just wondering, like, why isn't there more risk premium in the price of oil, given the unknowns, given what's happened in the Strait of Hormuz with, you know, the torpedoing and just all that, all the news flow. But now it's starting to escalate. It's becoming more consistent. So I think we might see a little bit more volatility in the price.
All right, we have to say thank you to Efficient Advisors Chief Investment Officer Larry Shover. Clearly, we're going to keep an eye on this and keep talking about this, because we have not only the situation in the Middle East, we have the USMCA, because Justin Trudeau meeting with the president, Mexico has ratified, but we also have China.